Hello everyone, welcome to Nisha's Maths Master Class, and today we are going to learn lesson number 3, integers from standard 6. Okay, and the topic name is subtraction of integers. I already uploaded the video on addition of integers. Now last topic is there, that is the subtraction of integers. Children, this is very important lesson. Okay, so addition of integers and subtraction of integers, both are brothers, both having the same rules, but signs we have to, when we have to solve the question, so that time we have to focus on the signs. What type of signs are there, those are most important, because when we solve different type of a question, so maybe some children is having a confusion related negative sign and positive sign. So first of all, you read and learn the sign rules properly, then we will solve it, and it is very easy actually. Small tricks are there, children. See, I am explaining some tricks. If opposite signs are there, okay, and subtraction is there, so that time, see now, same sign, so it is converted into addition. So addition, we have get the answer in addition only. Okay, so afterward next, that is means same sign is there. Okay, now again see, same sign, so it is converted into addition. Now see opposite sign, and in addition of integers we learn that when opposite signs are there, that time we subtract the number. Okay, and whatever the sign bigger number have, that we have to put there. Okay, this is our second rule. Now both the place having a positive sign, so that time subtract the number and we have to write down in proper way. Okay, subtract it and write down proper sign is there. Understand, children? So now we have to start with the number. So see, I am going to take this rule. First one, 5 minus 2, same sign. See children, so same sign is there, so it is converted into plus, means 5 plus 2, so the answer is 7. Got my point, children? Now next, again for example, 3 negative sign is there, 3 minus 2, so same sign is there, so it is converted into positive. Okay, so 3 plus 2 and the answer is 5. Got my point, children? Same again, next question, third one, 4 minus 4. Okay, now same sign is there, so we have to add it and the answer is 8. Got my point, children? Afterward, now this rule, second one. Okay, so fourth one, on this rule, for example, minus 4 is there, subtraction, and inside again one minus number is there. Okay, so again children see, we have to write down minus 4, same sign is there, so we have to convert it into positive. Okay, so this is our step. Now opposite signs are there, so when opposite signs are there, so we always subtract the number. So now 4 minus 2 is there, and bigger number, this is big brother, big boss है ये, तो ये जो बोल रहे हैं वही करना है. So he said that for having negative sign, so put the negative sign over there. Got my point, children? Again, same this topic, this rule. Again, minus 5 we have to write down as it is. Negative sign both the place have, so we have to convert into positive. So now minus 5 plus 3. Now opposite sign is there, so we subtract the 3 from 5. Okay, so we get 2. And bigger, this is big boss. He said negative sign I have, so that negative sign put for the answer. Understand? Now third rule, that is means for example 5 minus 2. Okay, see children, this is 5 positive and 2 negative. Okay, both the number, then 3 is there, subtract the number, so I subtract the number, and 5 have positive sign, so this is our big brother, so we have to keep the positive sign for 3. Now this rule we learn from 3rd, 2nd, 1st standard onwards, correct na? See na, 6 minus 2, 4, correct? So this is our old rule, and that 2 rules are new rule which we learn in the integer lesson. Understand children? Very simple, easy. But when we solve it, so that time pay attention on the sign. According to that you have to write down the answer. Because what happen if you have to forget to put the sign over there, so the value is changed, and because of that your answer is wrong. Got my point everyone? If you like my video, like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.